So, my friends, today I want to talk about why a good percentage of my clients, after meeting with me a few times, don't come back. They just don't. They just go off and they don't come back. So, there could be a few reasons why that is, but the top two reasons would be A, that I wasn't helpful, that I didn't really help them in the way they needed help, or two, they never had the same problem again and figured out how to heal and moved on. So, which of those do you think it is? I have the honor of working with people on a daily basis. And these people who come to me, they come to me after they have gone so many different directions. They have gone to other medical professionals. They have gone to therapy. They have gone to all sorts of treatments and still haven't found the healing that they are looking for. So then they get to come to me. And usually that is via referral, which I love because I love the people I work with. All right. So a majority of my clients that come to me are from a referral. I would say at least 99% of my clients are referrals. So what does that say? That says that people have great experiences, right? And leave great reviews. And I have reached out to the people who have just not communicated with me after a session or after a couple months. And I'm curious how things have gone. So, for example, I'll reach out to somebody and say, hey, you know how your daughter was in the hospital recently for this condition and this condition and had these psychological things going on, and wasn't sleeping at night and yada yada, and reach out and say, okay, I'm just wondering how that's going. And maybe we met like once, maybe we met two or three times. I reach out, okay, and so will answer back and will say, oh yeah, that's fine, yeah, sleep is great, and yeah, these other things were getting worked on, and yeah, I forgot about those things that you mentioned, except for the being in the hospital, right? And you helped me through that, and we're great now. So usually it's something like that, that they forget all about, um, what used to be going on. They say, oh yeah, sleep was an issue, wasn't it? Yeah, yeah, it's not really an issue now, or it's not very often an issue. So when I hear that, and that's the reason why they haven't contacted me back, because out of sight, out of mind, right? Um, makes me kind of happy. So anyway, so yeah, that can give you a little bit more information on why some clients don't come back. They get what they needed and they move on. And it's a beautiful thing. But then I have clients who I have been meeting with for 8 years now, and they're still some of my favorite people. And I still love meeting with them. And every time there's a hiccup, they reach out to me and it's great. So you can see you know, from that in my reviews that we have a lot of fun. We get a lot done and we move forward. And that is what I love. So anyway, it makes me so delighted to help people. And so if you are looking for help, definitely, definitely consider getting yourself healed.